mass online open course, great program. They've done some other ones on things like environmental legislation, but AI was the focus this year. Really interesting course just from a personal perspective as well as a professional perspective. There is an obligation now for lawyers to stay on top of AI regulation, both for their own use and then potential use in terms of evidence and from a client perspective. I must confess I have only used it to a very limited extent myself. I have experimented a little bit with ChatGPT. I was very impressed with it, but I did also find some hallucinations. I have not yet used some of the specific legal tools that I know are being developed and being introduced, but I do look forward to trying those a little bit more.
And you are required to disclose as well that some of the output is arrived at through AI, is that correct?
I believe so, yeah.
That's I'm less studious than you, and I use it for my some of my marketing and some of my other work as well. And I'm currently testing 3 GPTs with different results. And I think that basically there isn't really a GPT for everything. It's like, you have to go, depending on the task, you have an option for different ones. And how do you think this is going to help or destroy the industry in terms also of needs for employment? What is your sense?
Well, I think generally across the board in terms of white-collar jobs, it's going to reduce the need for especially low-level employees. It's just incredible the amount of stuff that can be automated and the speed at which they can produce output. So in terms of training,
the trainees,
it's inevitably going to have a huge impact, I think.
That's cool. Let's go back to, we mentioned distribution before. There are a lot of consultations from the Central Bank of Ireland out these days. What do you make of it with respect to management companies, right? So we have the big ones, we have some smaller ones.